Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send a money order in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for straightforward financial tips that make life easier. A money order is like a secure check you can buy to send money safely, especially if you don't have a bank account or want to avoid using personal checks. It's widely used for payments like rent, bills, or even gifts to family. Let's break this down step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, head to a reliable spot to get your money order. In 2025, you can grab one from your local bank, credit union, post office, or even some grocery stores and retail outlets that offer financial services. Make sure to bring cash or a debit card since you'll need to pay up front. Once you're there, tell the clerk how much you want to send, and they'll prepare the money order for you. It usually costs a small fee, around $1 to $5, depending on the provider. Next, fill out the money order carefully. You'll see spaces for the recipient's name, your name as the purchaser, and the amount. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Typos could delay or cancel the payment. If you're sending it through mail, use a secure envelope and add the correct postage. Pro tip: always keep the receipt they give you. It's your proof of purchase and helps if there's any issue later. Now, for sending it in 2025, options have gotten even more convenient. You can mail it via certified mail for tracking, hand deliver it, or in some cases, use digital services if the provider offers them. Though traditional money orders are still mostly physical. Remember, once it's sent, the funds are guaranteed, so the recipient can cash it quickly at their bank or post office. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always use the current year's guidelines, as processes might change, and protect your personal info to prevent fraud. If you're unsure, ask the clerk for help. They're there to assist. There you have it, friends. Sending a money order is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your finances.